What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to give developer access or delegate access to another person to your GoDaddy domain. Now what you want to do is to go here to your account name and then go here to account settings, and in account settings you should find here an option that says delegate access, and in here you can either request access to someone else's account or invite or add people to access your own account. So in my case I want to invite to access, so here you want to enter the name and the email of the developer or the person you want to delegate your services to, and here you can set the access level. You can let them access all your products, domain and purchase here. You can let them access only your products and domain or your domains only. And once you enter their name and their email here, you can invite them to access or delegate the desired settings on your GoDaddy.